Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to come and talk about the live stream. Oh my goodness, I've been getting so many comments I can't hear. I am so sorry. I tried the live stream on my new camera, which is a no-no, so from now on I'm never gonna do that again. So just wanted to let you, it was due to the camera and I cannot go back. I don't want to delete it because I did lots of talking, lots of shows, showing my finished items, my whips and so on. So I don't want to go back and redo it. And I do it on the 27th, my live stream. So I'll see you on September 27th. I'm so sorry, I can't, but when you turn it on you can hear it, the sound, you know, you can't hear me, and there's this white noise background, and I have no clue, so I am so sorry. Right now I'm outside. I went for a walk. It's a long weekend this weekend and everyone's home. It's busy, crazy busy, but I just had to do my walk. I do my walk, I don't know, 3-4 times a week. Try to walk, try to be fit and eat healthy, but it's really tough. So I just wanted to point out everything's well, and I'm still working on the cardigan. I'm going to do a tutorial for that, so stay tuned. I mentioned that on the live stream. I know it's really hard for you to hear and understand me, but I'm so sorry. But I did lots get views, and I got a couple of thumbs down, but it's not my fault. It's not my fault. I'm so sorry. It's technical difficulties I had that day, and it's the camera. I'm blaming the camera. I did lots of I worked on it. For some reason when I go on live it gives that white noise, that sound's not picking up. I did fix the picking up sound, but you can still hear the noise. I don't know, maybe I'll do a short live between, and then we'll see how it works. Just lovely. I'm close to my house. I was just coming back and I just wanted to talk about the live stream. I'm so sorry, and yeah, I do apologize. Just taking my time working on the cardigan, and I will come maybe tomorrow. I'll do a tutorial. I don't know, just wanted to, you know, knit up and then give you an idea how it looks like. The new technique, I'm going to show you how to knit from top down and then give the back a lift. I think that's the best way to do it. And yeah, so stay tuned for that, and you guys take care. It's just beautiful outside. It must be over 25 degrees here in Edmonton, Alberta. Look at my face shining. Oh, yeah, it's shining. Yeah, I did not put nothing, just my lipstick, and this is the TikTok who fixes me up. Love it, love it, love it. So I don't have to do makeup, just the lipstick that I have on my lipstick. I would highly recommend. Yeah, this is the way I walk, and it's really great. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Bye now.